Put this together to help future leaders and aspiring growth leaders to come in, upskill, meet mentors, meet peers, learn from them, and accelerate their career and accelerate their journey.
So it is a community that helps or invokes one to learn from each other, and that is what we have been doing throughout the day.
With these frameworks, so I understood that there are certain minute details like identifying the motivations and certain triggers of the customers to come up with a specific communication strategy.
On this first day, I think very interesting insight was about how you build a habit for the customer engagement, which was very interesting to me. This is the first time I've explored that.
How do you utilize data and build experiential journeys around the customer by keeping customer as the core is what I learned.